KFK Metal Machining Center department is equipped with modern high-precision 2D and 3D machines and circular cutting machines for aluminium and steel profiles, as well as flat bars. All machines are EU originated by established machine manufacturers with long tradition in metal processing technology. A total of 16 3D machining centers and 8 2D circular saws for profile cutting are present in KFK. 3D metal processing machines with 4 and 5 operating axes have superior precision of plus or minus 0.1 mm in length and 0.1 degree in angle for metal machining and cutting. Machines have capability of drilling, milling, cutting of components up to 9,000 mm, optional 12,000 length. This gives complete aluminium profile preparation for further assembly processes. Continuous supervision and dimension control by operator and QC personnel is present in production at all times.